Sige na, try. Zido and Baba together. Don't be scared. It's okay. Mama is here. Mama is here. Yay! Bravo! Bravo! Again. Go to Baba. Go to Baba. No, the stairs. Now he likes. Hey, Zido. Do not. Bravo, Zaid. Hey.
Come on.
Very good. Bravo. Oh my gosh. Look at him, the way he slides. Running.
Go!
Bravo!
One goal!
Oh, now very fast. Very good. Let's get inside. No, it's exit entry here. Okay. Here. Go that side. Let's get inside. Put it on your. Yeah. Put it there. Wait, you're so excited.
Yeah.
Papa will wait. Sige.
Baba will
Okay.
You miss daddy, ah.
Yeah, Baba's boy.
you have slides tomorrow.
Okay. It's hard, baby. Too much ball. Okay, go. Go up. Okay, now Zido, slide. Okay. Which one you want to slide? Yay! Oh, the other color. Okay, go up again.
You should have told him no kicking.
Okay, go slide. Shee! Whee! Wait.
Pick the ball, Mara.
Oh my gosh, I'm not. He wants to jump. It's okay, do not remove. Mama will wait here, huh? Wait. Okay, Zido, slide. Yay. Look at the ball, oh. Look the ball. The balls are flying. Look. Yes. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Sit down. There's a ball also. Basketball. 1, 2, 3. Swing. Jump. Swing. Sit down. Again. Oh, sige, the green one. Sige. 2, 3. No? What happened to the... Okay, put another one. Yay, going up. Oh, it's there. And then down. Again. Sige. Yay. Sige. Again. Yay. Oh my gosh. More. Put more. Oh. Okay. Let's get inside. Open the door. Let's get inside. Where are you going? Go up. More. Up. Up. There. We're done here. We try the upper one. Trampoline is there. Here. Go up. Sige. Sige, go there. It's okay. Sige, go up. Sige, Zido up. Up there, sorry. Slowly. Where are you going? That one is very, what is this? High. It's very high. And here lang there. Go there. This one slide. It's very high, I think.
No, this slide.
No, this one? You want that one? No, not high. Only here. From here and then here. Sige. Sige, go. Sige. Mama will look here. Okay. When Zido? Here, Ding. There's another bridge here. Okay, come here. You can do it.
For you later. She will give it to you when
When? What else? Here, how about here? Zido, the tunnel, here. Have you tried this one? Here?
Go. There's like, what is there already? Okay. It's a mermaid.
Sige. Go there and then going to the slide. Okay. Okay, come back here. You want to slide? Sige, go slide. Mama is waiting. Zido! Zid! Mama is here. Go. Yes. Zido will go up. Okay, Mama will wait here, okay? Okay, go slide. Here's coming. Where is Zaid? Zaid is here. Finished?
Bravo.
It's okay. Don't be scared. Hug ball. Okay. Oh, the ball. You want more ball? What you? Zaid, you're just too much. This boy. Go that way. If you don't want that one, go the other side. Sige. Look. Go there. No. Oh, here. Try here. What's here? Nothing? A mirror for the girls. For the girls. And there they have also for the birthday. Yeah, fireman. Oh my gosh. Go get another ball. Sige. Careful, ha. I think this is not strong enough. Okay.